Hello everybody, this is my next job. And I know from my previous jobs, this job is gonna be a lot of fun. And this job actually has a water leak, so we're fixing all the problems. Here, we removing the old shower top, and somebody leave me a surprise here. That was kind of funny. And we fix all the framing, and also we install a new insulation. Turned out pretty good, I think. Everything's been fixed, everything's perfect for the new shower. Also, I recommend it to everybody, make sure you add in wood blocking around the shower pan. In some location it's required, and also it's code in some areas. Also we recommended to use nail plates. It's super crucial. You don't want to have any accidents. This will prevent any problems. Everything turned out pretty good. Also, something else we did here is we put in this piece of wood here, and we put a bevel down, and the way the water runs down, super crucial. The system we're gonna use here is a Wedi shower system. Personally, I think it's great, and also has warranty. This is really good. Has a 15 years warranty, super excellent. And this is the Wedi sealer. The new shower panel down here. The curb is a small curb, and also something that I recommended is make sure you guys waterproof around the shower head and shower valve. Super crucial. And that way nothing's gonna happen and everything's gonna be protected 100%. It turned out pretty good here. And also, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Leave in the comments below, and I will be happy to help you. Turned out pretty good. Pretty soon it's gonna be a tile time. And if you guys have any questions, again, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you next one. Ciao.